morning. Where am I going? I'm continuing across the mountains towards Mostar. I'll go as far as I can go today, maybe 70 or 80 kilometers. It's very mountainous here, so let's see. Check all the screws are nice and tight since the rebuild. Oh, that one's come loose. Always want to leave the campsite nicer than I found it, including picking up other people's disgusting tissues. Crikey, I can see I'm in for a tough day. Dobber, not Dobber Dan, it's not the afternoon, Dobber something. Hey, I should have known they were cyclists, they gave me loads of room. So, it's 10% for the next 2.5 kilometers, which is pretty tough at the best of times. It's really helping that the surface is nice and smooth, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get to ride all of this. So I'm walking. This is way too tough for me right now. It's now 12 or 13%, which is absolutely out of my abilities right now. Back down to a mere 10% now, which feels proportionally more manageable somehow. Yay! It's the top of this morning's climb. There's more to come. famished. I've just picked up an extra $5 of carbs because I did not bring enough food for this sort of climb. How cute is it to see a mosque in this sort of European-y countryside? Gorgeous. Hello. Biscuits. You can't have biscuits, mate. Over there. Enjoy your trip.
Yeah.
Over there. So this is the way the navigation says I should go. Looks horrendous. Fortunately, I have Muriel's experience to tell me to take the longer way around. I'm really struggling. This is way too much. I've barely got any strength at all for this. I don't know how I'm still going. This is an absolute nightmare. The next 15 kilometers are up an unsealed track now. Oh, I thought I'd be at the top of that by the end of today. That's definitely not happening now. Got a flat bit, so back on the bike again. There's a stream on the map, but it's dry. Oh no. Guess I'm pressing on. That's the road I came up on. Well, it's pretty dark, and this is the only track I've seen in kilometers. So this is where I'll be camping. Cleared some brambles. That's my patch. There's nobody around, so it doesn't matter at all. But I'm happy to find a flat bit. That is a massive piece of luck. Cheers, I made it. I'm absolutely wiped. I don't know how I kept pedaling or putting one foot in front of the other. I'm absolutely spent, but I've got my dinner, which is the same ashvar capsicum thing and salty cheese and same wine and same everything. Don't know what tomorrow holds. That's a problem for tomorrow. For now, thank you so much indeed, Ahmed, for buying me coffees on the Buy Me a Coffee app. You absolute champion. I will put it to very good coffee use. Thank you so much indeed. What a day. Eat my dinner, maybe make a vlog, go to sleep, do it all over again tomorrow.